Hey everybody, this is Greenwood with another tutorial video. This video is going to be about different types of angles and the intercepted arcs that they make in a circle. So we've already learned about inscribed and central angles a little bit, about where their vertices are. And so just as a reminder, we'll talk about that. So let's just talk about the intercepted arc. So an intercepted arc, it's a part of the circumference that's between the points that make the ends of the angle. So let's look at an example of this, and that'll kind of make things more clear. So central angles, remember those are that have the vertex at the center of the circle. So in this case, that's point D. So I will go through a few examples here. So angle CDG. So I'll trace with my mouse as best I can. CDG. So there's a central angle because point D is the vertex. And also another good reminder is that the vertex has to be the middle letter. So we start at C, go to D, and then out to G, or we can change the order and go G to D and then back out to C. So this is a central angle, and the intercepted arc that goes with that is arc CG. So this part of the circumference is intercepted by this central angle, okay? And this will be helpful in the next video when you look at how to calculate those angle measures to identify which is which. Okay, so there's one example of a central angle. You see two more there. I will identify those quickly. So the purple one, CDE, this is a bigger angle. Angle CDE is that one. The intercepted arc. I get those two words mixed up a lot, inscribed and intercepted. The intercepted arc is arc CE. I've traced in the light blue. So that's the intercepted arc created by angle CDE. And then lastly, angle GDE we'll do in green. Again, central because D is the vertex. And then intercepts arc GE. That's the portion of the circumference. Okay, so now let's talk about inscribed angles. And so inscribed angles, the only difference here is that the vertex is no longer at the center. The vertex is a point on the circle. So in our example, point B is on the circle, and we can make some angles with that. Point D is the center. Point B is on the circle. So for example, let's use kind of our similar color scheme. Let's go orange there and red here. So angle ABC. So start at A, travel down to B, which is on the circle, back out to C. So there's an inscribed angle because B is on the circle. And arc AC is the intercepted arc by angle ABC. All right. So let's look at a couple more. So that's one inscribed angle. Angle, let's see, we'll do purple here and blue here. So angle CBF, so start at C, travel down to B. Well, let's try that again, because I didn't quite get to B. B, back up to F. That's going to be close enough. And the intercepts arc CF, so start at C, all the way down here to F. So intercept arc CF is intercepted by angle CBF. And then this last one, we're going to use green and then black again. So angle ABF. And now this one's a little interesting because it looks like, I'm not sure, well, that was really messy, but I'm wondering if this is going to be a major arc. And I'm kind of thinking so because as I look at from F to D, my diameter would extend here. So remember, major arc is more than half of the circumference. So I'm thinking that this arc is going to be arc AF. But since it's major, we do need to put 3 letters in that to identify we want to go the long way. Because remember, mathematicians are kind of lazy, and we like to go the short route if we can. So to name that, I can use A, and then any point in between F, the direction I want to go. So I could use A, I could use G, I could use E, but only I'm going to use 3 letters. So ACF, AGF, or AEF. I'm going to go with ACF because why not? That's the first one there. So I will erase my arc symbol to make it look a little more descriptive of that. So that is that third one. Okay. So hopefully this helps you identify central angles, inscribed angles, and the arcs that they intercept. And that will help you in the next video you watch on making those calculations. Okay. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.